What the hell going on, everybody? It's mudjugg. Look right there, I got that oh damn, y'all seen it. I got the damn camouflage real tree mudjugg, but also I got that mudjugg portable spittoon sticker. What else do I have? I done put some damn camo wrap down there. I did it myself. Just got that spot missed, and that's how it is on both sides. See, I gotta get another one and just piece that right there. I'll put that camo on. I think she looks pretty good, man. And so yeah, had to get that mudjugg sticker, mudjugg portable spittoon. Get you one at mudjugg.com. You know how we do. Real tree out here in the country. I just figured I'd make a video for y'all, show y'all the new mudjugg stickers and real tree mudjugg. And that's how we do it. My name's T-Rail. I love all y'all, man. Peace out.